You know those Revlon 2-in-1? It's mercyahhh, and I am back with another video. Today I will be doing the Philips hairbrush. I will be doing the Philips hair straightening brush review and tell you guys whether it's worth buying or not. Let's get into it. This is what the box looks like on the outside. Now, disclaimer, when I bought this, I thought that it was gonna be you know those Revlon 2-in-1 blow dryer and straightening brushes? Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like that to help me dry my hair because I cannot use a regular blow dryer even if my life depended on it. So that's what I thought this would help me do, but no, this is just a straightening brush. It's like straightening comb, but the brush version. So yeah. Also, don't use this on wet hair because it is not a dryer. It's just a straightening brush. So keep the water away from it. So this is what the hairbrush looks like. The Philips hairbrush. I already used it. I used it to straighten my hair about 3-4 days ago, and this is what my hair looks like on day 3. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna get into the pros and cons. Now these are pro and cons from my experience, so it may not be the same for you. Let's get into it. Pro number 1. I wrote them down so I don't forget. It heats fast. Like, it takes a matter of seconds for the brush to get hot, so you don't really have to wait for so long to wait for it to heat up. Like, heats up within seconds and you're ready to use it. Pro number 2, it is very convenient. Like, if you need to quickly brush your hair, you can do so in like a few minutes. I wouldn't say seconds, but like a few minutes. Because with one pass, it straightens your hair. I'll show you guys a video and you can see how quickly it straightens my hair. So yeah, it's very convenient. If you wake up in the morning and you have something's wrong with your hair, you can quickly take the brush, plug it in, heats up within seconds, and then you can like pass the brush through your hair really quick, and yeah, you'll be straight and you'll look presentable. Pro number 3 is that it's very easy to use. It's like using a hairbrush. The only difference is that it's heated, so you can just take it. If you know how to use a hairbrush, you'll know how to use a hot straightening brush. So you just take it and you pass it through your hair just like you would do with the hairbrush, the regular hairbrush. So it's really easy for beginners. Or for pro number 4, I think this is the final pro. No. For pro number 4, it's safe to use. Like, you can easily get the brush close to your scalp or close to your edges and you won't get burnt because of how the brush is built. It has plastic on the edges. Let me show you. It has like these plastic things on the edge. So these protect your scalp from getting burnt. So pro number 5, the last and final pro. But this one can be a pro or a con. It really depends on what you're going for or what your aim is. If you're somebody who likes silky straight hair, then this brush may not be for you because it will not give you a silky straight look. This is what my hair looks like after using the brush. Well, it did not give me a silky straight look, but it did definitely stretch my hair out and help me maintain my volume. So if you're someone who loves voluminous hair that's not too silky straight, then this brush is for you. And if you want a silky straight look, this is not for you. Just go for a hot comb or a flat iron. It'll do the job for you. Time for cons. Now, my first con is that this brush, it can be limiting. Unlike a flat iron, you can't really form curls or waves to your hair, so all it does is straighten. And my final con would be that it's super hard to clean. Like, I spent hours trying to clean this brush with a toothpick and a damp cloth because you can't put the brush in water. So I had to go through with a toothpick and a cloth, just trying to thoroughly clean the brush, because if you don't clean it, all the product buildup that builds up on the brush will get on your hair and it will mess your hair up. So yeah, those are my only cons. Other than that, I would say that this is a really good brush for someone who wants to stretch their hair out but doesn't want a silky look and wants to maintain their volume. I hope this review was helpful. If you have any other questions, definitely drop them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see